Alright, so first of all, what I'm going to do to go to our collaborative course Design 5, EVO 19, and I will turn the editing on. So what I would like to do, we have the course for 1 week, which is 7 days, and I would like to add some information to Quizlet use. This is one of the topics that I suggested to the team. So I created basically 4 topics, 4 steps for this day. First of all, I added the support forum. So it's from my side also when I need some help or I do not understand. So I can type here some information or I can ask for help. Also here I've already added the link for the website Quizlet where our participants can register it. And right now I would like to add a video, the first video, where to go and how to register it in this program named Quizlet. So I already turned editing on, and here we can add activity or course. So I would choose the URL. Have to wait a little bit. The name. The name I would put step. Oh, just a moment. The name I would put step 1, and here is the link. And the description would be the way to register in Quizlet. Okay, save and return to the course. Let's see. Okay, so here's step 1. I would turn the editing off. Alright, so and here the participants could tick if they completed these steps. Thank you so much for watching.